Hi guys, welcome to the LiveTutelage. In our previous session, we have discussed of something called list boxes, right? So now in this session, we'll be discussing of a combo box. Combo box, right? What is a difference between a list box and a combo box? List box, you can view all items at a time, right? But in a combo box, you cannot view all the items at a time. You have to click the button down to view all items. That is only a difference between a combo box and a list box. Okay. In our previous session, we have discussed of a list box. Now we will see the combo box. Okay. Now for that combo box, I am just using packages, 4 packages. The first package is the AWT package. The first 2 packages are AWT packages, and these packages are useful for creation of some borders to your layout or for some containers. If you want to create a container, what is a container? Container is a kind of a frame where you are going to add your combo box. It is something like your frame when you are swings. Okay, so the container will contains all the items which you are going to add it. It is nothing but a frame for your user interface, and that container will consist whatever the items you want to add it to your interface. This is very important. You need to access the container class to add each and every fields to your interface. Okay. Now this is a swing class. I have already told you in the previous session what for the swing classes are useful, which consist all GUI fields. What is a GUI? So GUI are nothing but your graphical user interface fields. So whatever we are having, something like a text box, right? Layout, okay, the frames, okay, buttons, the labels, the list box, or the one combo box. Okay, so all the layouts or all the labels or all the fields are available in the package called swing. Okay, in the swing you have another package so I have just imported only the combo box class of my package, and I have imported only the JFrame class of my package. What is a JFrame? Which is a frame, something like this, and inside of a frame you are going to add your combo box. If you want to add some text or buttons, so I need some frame. For that frame I have to add it, and that frame should contains by something that is nothing but your container. Okay, so that container is available in the AWT package, and the border for my container I have given the border layout. Okay, this is a class. We will observe what for this border layout class we are going to use for our program. I hope you understand the first 4 lines of our code. This is our importing our packages, so which consists all the classes and all the methods that we are going to use in our program. Whenever you are going for GUI, graphical user interfaces, it is always you have to remember you need to import 2 packages. One is the swing packages, the other is your AWT package. Right. Now this is my simple class name that I have created, and this is my main method, and I have created an array of labels of type string, and I am going to have A to J values, which is the items in my combo box. Okay, these are all the items of my combo box. In our previous session for the list box we have observed, so we need to create first a data model, and for that data model you have to add each and every element. You need to write something like, so this many of lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 lines of code for adding the elements in the list box. But here with only one statement you can just add your array to your string, and the string can be directly passed to your combo box. Now this is a title that I have given, so string.title. So the title you can give whatever it is. It is a Java course by LiveTutelage, our portal. Now this statement is a frame. What is a frame? So it is something like this, and the frame I have added the title. So like this, you can observe this is the title of the frame. So Java, right? So I have added the title to my frame, and this is for a closing operation. What is the closing operation? You can observe this. So this is our into. So use it for close your panel or the frame. So a normal default close operation which is derived from our Swing package, you have used it. And this is a container, and this container will consist your frame. The container class will consist the frame, and the frame consists the title. Now here the second, now coming to the next line of course. So Combobox is directly I am using it from my AWT, from my Swing class, from the Swing class of Combobox class. From the Swing package, you are creating an object for Combobox, which is a new Combobox of labels, right? The Combobox of labels, you are passing the labels string to your Combobox. What is this labels? It is an array of string consisting of these elements. So with a single statement, you have passed all the elements to your Combobox. And this is something like set maximum row count of 5, which you will observe when I am running the program. And I have added, where you are adding to your Combobox, the border layout of north. So content pane will consist your container. For that container, you have added your Combobox north side of your border layout. Right? I have repeated the same 3 lines of code for south side of the container, right? And this is the frame size 300, 200, and I am making it as visible. Let me run my program so that you will understand these 2 lines of code. So when I say OK, now you can observe here. So this is a north side and this is your south side. So that is why just for our understanding I have written 2 Comboboxes. Combobox 1 which is added north side. So this is the north side, you can find one Combobox. South side you can find another Combobox, up and down. Now here say you cannot find all the list items, but in the list box you can find all the list items. Now here if you click this, you can find the number of items in the list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you are having the scroll pan, right? So that is, this statement says set maximum row count of 5. So when you click this, set it is only the 5, and if you want you can, for the rest you need to use your scroll pen. See, for example, if I just made it as only 2 and I try to run this, so you can find it only the row count as 2, A and B, right? And you are having, see, the scrolling option like this, right? So for our neat understanding, so just made it as 5, and you just run your program for your Combobox. Now this is our Combobox. Now you can find it here. So this is our north side and this is from our south side. Okay, why the south side? All the elements are displaying like this because for the south side I have not given the max count of the row, right? So max count of the row I have not given, right? So now this is the frame size, and this I am making this as a visible. We have discussed what is the use of set visible method in our previous sessions. You can go through my previous sessions, you can understand what is the set visible method will be using. Okay, now here let me just put it in comment of my south, and you can just run your code. Now you can just find out what happens. Now you can just find it out, only the north Combobox is being displayed, right? So you can select it any one by just clicking this kind of a down arrow. That is about our Combobox. Okay, now here, so this is about our Combobox creation. Okay, a simple way of creating Combobox is very easy comparing to the list boxes. Okay, just create a string, add all your elements to your string, and add your strings pass to the Combobox object. Okay, and how many row count you want, you can just give maximum row count, and if you want to add it to your border layout of north, you can just add it, or you can just add it to your south. And this is the frame size and this This is how you are just making it visible. So this is about Combobox class. Thank you.